I'm co-founder and CEO of Processia Solution. Processia Solution is a company who actually specializes in PLM integration. We focus only on the Dassault platform, and we offer really end-to-end service coverage from project initiation, so consulting, to integration, so executing the project, to maintaining the platform and upgrading these types of platform. We cover 4 markets today: France, it's the biggest market for us, USA, Canada, and the UK. And we're growing very fast, working with top customers such as Faurecia, helping them deploy the Dassault System 3D Experience platform.
Faurecia is a global automotive supplier with plants and tech centers in more than 30 countries in the world, from Argentina to Korea. We are the 6th largest automotive supplier in the world and the 19 billion company right now. The major challenges we are facing today are related to the program developments. What is a program? When we sign a new program with a customer, which can be a cockpit or a seat, we'll develop it for a global platform for our customers. We'll have to manufacture it everywhere in the world with the same quality of product and with the same definitions. Okay? Then we need to develop the program on a worldwide basis and then to manufacture in many different plants. And for that, we need to gather and to have a unique platform to share data, to share information and everything around the programs. PLM is for sure one of the foundations of our initiative, because PLM is everything around the product and how the product will evolve from sales up to serial life. Okay, with program development, engineering, CAD, CAM for sure, but as well engineering change management and everything around the cooperation between manufacturing and engineering. And PLM is at the heart of our IT landscape and will be one of the major foundations of our digitalization. For the Digital Enterprise 4.0 initiative we launched a few months ago with the support of our CEO, we have 4 pillars. One is around PLM, and it's one of the major foundations. One is around manufacturing and logistics or supply chain. One is around HR and communication, and the last one about sales and customer experience. Why we selected Dassault after a very long RFQ process and a very competitive one? I would say first because we got the conviction that Dassault is providing a vision on the long term and has the technological capability to follow and to help us building what we need. And it's mainly on the future of the company. We are implementing for sure everything around the PPDM, product and process data management, with the Enovia product, but as well looking to Delmia for the virtual manufacturing experience. One of the main goals is to have a unique source of truth for the product. Which product we are developing, which product we are manufacturing, where, how it is manufactured, how it is supplied between plants. And when we are delivering something, we need to know which part and how it has been engineered. We had a process in 2 steps. One was a selection of Dassault and the 3D Experience platform. And afterwards, we selected the integrator with a competitive bid, and Processia won the bid.
Once the platform was selected by Faurecia to select the best integrator in the market, to help them convert the wish into reality. So bringing on board our methodology, our ways of actually capturing requirements and turning them into a solution that will bring value to Processia's end user community.
We have a phase project in 2 or 3 years. Okay, first to migrate from the old version to the new one, or the newest one, with a lot of questions: which version, with which features, and how does it fit with our business needs. And then we need to integrate that with all the other pieces of the IT landscape, especially the ERP, which is based on SAP, and how to bring the link between manufacturing and engineering, between engineering BOM and manufacturing BOM, which is a key issue for us. Processia is working as a system integrator, providing resources, high-skilled resources to help us building the solution and developing the solution. And Dassault is providing experts on their product to be sure that we will really use their product in the best way and creating the best value for Faurecia.
So we work, in France, but we have as well consultants who are traveling the world to meet different sites, different engineering teams and so on to gather the requirements, refine some of the details that we will need to execute in the phase of the project, and really working in a single environment. So we brought, for this project particularly, people all around the world having niche expertise on this platform to turn the ambition into reality.
What is very important when you start such a project or a journey is to be sure that you will remain at the right level of technology and relationship over the next 10 or 15 years. Is to be sure that they will stay at the right level of technology, they will stay at the right level of quality, okay? And they will continue to deliver the right services and relationship, which is a challenge.
One of the value we bring to our customer is the relationship we've built over the 15 years with Dassault System. So Faurecia, Bertrand and his team, rely as well on our understanding of the product, of the roadmap, where it's going, the technology that relies underneath it as well, but our relationship with the editor, Dassault System, so that we can actually influence, make sure that we can drive an implementation using as much as possible out of the box, so that we use basically any new feature, any new innovation brought by Dassault, and really understand the value it brings to Faurecia. So Processia being involved for these 15 past years, already on the latest platform, we already have 6 ongoing projects that have started on this new technology, and we keep pushing for more. Processia is a company who grew by about 30% on a year basis in the past 5 years.
In such a project, there are 3 pillars to succeed. One is technology, and Dassault is providing the technology. We expect the technology to remain at the right level. Second one is how to integrate this technology and how to maximize the value we can create with the technology. But those 2 aspects, without the change management and the people and the training and the business process refining, is nothing, because if you don't align your organization on what you can do with the new system, if you don't perform the right change management, you will never get the value you are expecting from the technology.